how are you today? Today, I will show you how to grow garlic at home. But before that, let's pack a lunch for my husband. I prepared fried rice, meatballs, and stir-fried water spinach with garlic. They are so delicious and I know that my husband will love it. The greatest thing about my life right now is to learn how to be relaxed and chill. I realize that don't take things too serious, being myself, and doing my things. Sometimes you don't need to be strong. If you don't feel to talk to anyone, don't talk. Just be yourself. Enjoy every moment. I am kind of person, overwork and overthink, so enjoying the present moment is really challenging for me. However, when my husband asked me to go fishing with him, I started to learn patience and enjoyment. Now I will show you how to grow garlic at home. It's very easy. You should prepare some things like empty bottle waters, garlic, a knife to cut the bottle, scissors. You should make sure there is no water in the bottle. I see some water in my bottle, so I need to pour it out. Then I cut a third the bottle. Then I use scissors to cut the edge of the water bottle. After that, I put the top of the water bottle upside down on the body to see if it fits. I also cut a little bit the top of the bottle so the roots of the garlic plant can easily get water. Then I put them together. Make sure they fit beautifully. Put water into bottle before putting the garlic in. The water should reach the top of the bottle like I show you. Then you put garlic in the top. I pour some water in just to ensure the roots of garlic touch the water. Just like that, you can grow garlic at home. Put it near sunlight, so it will grow more easily. These are some photos that my garlic grows. I hope you enjoys. When the garlic plant grows enough and has long roots, you can take it out the water bottles and plant it in your garden. Have a nice day, you guys. See you later.